Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a Priceline coupon code. This is a great way to save money on your hotel bookings, and once you know where to enter that promo code, you'll be able to apply discounts to your reservations quickly and easily. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Priceline.com. This takes you straight to Priceline's homepage, where you can start searching for hotels. Once you're there, you'll see a search field labeled Where To right on the main page. Click into that field and type in your destination city. This could be anywhere you're planning to travel, whether it's a major city or a smaller town. Next, you'll need to select your travel dates. Look for the calendar icons next to the destination field. Click on them to open up the date picker, then choose your check-in and check-out dates. Make sure these dates align with your travel plans, as selecting the wrong dates could affect availability and pricing. After setting your dates, you'll see options to enter the number of rooms and guests you need. Click on that section, adjust the numbers according to your travel party, and then click Done to confirm your selections. This ensures that the search results will match your accommodation needs. Now click the Find Your Hotel button to proceed with your search. This initiates the search process, and you'll need to wait a few seconds while the page loads and compiles a list of available hotels that match your criteria. Be patient during this step, as the system is pulling together all the relevant options for your destination and dates. Once the hotel results page appears, you'll see a variety of hotels listed. Scroll down through the options until you find the hotel that best fits your preferences and budget. When you've made your choice, click Choose Room next to that hotel. This will take you to the next page where you can see the different room types available at that property. On the Room Options page, scroll down to review the various room categories. Each room type will have different features and prices, so take your time to find the one that suits your needs. Once you've decided, click Book Now next to your selected room. Again, you'll need to wait a few seconds for the page to load as it prepares your booking details. Now comes the important part. On the right side of the page, look for a section that says Have a promo code. Click on that section to expand it. This is where you'll enter your discount code. Type in your promo code exactly as it appears, making sure there are no extra spaces or typos, then click Apply. The system will immediately calculate your new total with the discount applied. And that's it. You've successfully applied your Priceline coupon code and secured a discounted rate on your hotel booking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.